Baby, when you're done, you gotta be the first to run. Rule number 2, just don't get attached to somebody you could lose. So let me tell you, this is how to be a heartbreaker. Was it like a little danger? We'll get it falling for a stranger. A player singing la 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 la. How to be a heartbreaker. Was it like a little danger? We'll get it falling for a stranger. A player singing la 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 la.
It's me, Katie10. This is my first ever video and I really hope you like it. Subscribe and like this video and comment down when you guys are done to be a cat noir squad. Kind of like that, like a kitty noir squad. And here is a first shout out of the day is Kaylee for swag. Sorry about that. You know, so can you please gift her after we've done this YouTube? Please gift her for a YouTube because I'm doing a mail time too, but my another mail time got deleted. The video got deleted, so I'm so sorry about that. So I'm just gonna give her a gift, and then I will be right back. Okay, now let's just get started. So she is my top buddy right now because she's one of my BFFs, or she's my sister's BFF. My sister is NoGirl1234, as you may tell, and I'm not gonna put the link down below because you should all be known. Sorry if I spelled wrong, I'm really bad at spellings. Like a younger sister, sorry bad at spellings. Anyways, let's get started on this video. So the first one is obviously my BFF, Kaylee for swag. Wait a second, let me just put recording now, say hi. I really hope I get good subscribers and stuff. Oh, it's really nice. Thank you so much. But that, guys, my mum just wanted me, and thank you so much for Rez. That's why I'm giving you a shout, because y'all just the best. I may be a bit crazy. Hi YouTube, go check out my YouTube. MSP lover. YouTube, send me gifts for mail time, please. Yeah. Send her gifts. Yep, send her gifts. Okay. I'm gonna like kind of put it up here so you don't see the you can see the thing and the thing. Okay, let's just get started now on this video. Oh, this is really nice. Thank you so much for that, sister. That's my sister. Just to tell you, she's really nice. Kind of. Thank you so much for that. Oh my god, it's a nice skirt. I might wear that. Ooh, you are fireworks. I think that might be a man, I'm not sure. Ooh, they're nice. Pretty earrings. Oh no, I took off my thing. Oh, who cares? Metal rose. Am I gonna be like the queen or something? I don't know. Ooh. Silver. I thought I said Aspen and silver gas. Like sass. Silver sass. Like I know I'm so sassy sometimes, maybe a bit. That's an outfit, except it doesn't have any hair, so it doesn't matter. Hug me 578. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much for that lovely outfit. Hannah Sweet 5. Ooh, ripped shorts look nice. Unicorn Lover XO5. That's a pretty dress. Thank you so much for that. Now onto the second gift. Oh, thank you so much. You're giving me another gift. Are you like full of Rez? Because you're like giving me a lot of you're like giving me a lot of like stuff right now. That's a nice thing. Don't give me more. This is gonna be like forever. This mail time. What's that? I've never seen that hair before. That must be a rare. I've just turned to level 16. Ooh, curly pigtails. Thank you so much for that. If you're just gonna keep sending me gifts, then I won't be getting on to the other person. Oh, I love buns. They're cute. I do. I love bums. Okay, I'm being a bit silly. Ooh, chick slippers. Nice. Thank you so much for them. Okay, next gift. Magic Bethan. Oh, is that a tattoo? That's nice. And then Magic Bethan again. Still got one. I don't understand why. How do you get a lot of gifts? I just bug people, me. I just bug them until they'll say yes. I'm telling you, just bug. It will help so much. Metal car. Ooh, love yourself. Thank you so much for these gifts. I just love you all, guys. I'll be giving some shout outs afterwards. I already given one shout out, and that's Killy for swag, I think. Oh, I already have them, but like, who cares? Who cares if I... Oh my god, my sister's sending me a lot. Okay, I'm guessing this is going to be an outfit. Rip, tear, pop. That's a good, like, name for it. Cousin Velvet. Oh, I didn't get time to see it. Okay. Hopefully you all subscribe, guys. Because if you subscribe, you're just going to be the best. Ooh, this might be, like a shoe or something. Shoes. Oh, no, it's not. Well, that's an outfit, but she didn't send me any shoes. Oh, I've got duckies on, so who cares? Can I have a shout out? I have already gave you a shout out. First thing. No, not live. I wish I was live, but it just doesn't let me, this computer. I don't know why. Sweet stripes. Thanks for that, girl. Amy Blue, 553. Oh my god, it's a drip collection top. Yes, I've been wanting that for ages. And they're really expensive, guys. Oh my, she's giving me a blue and a purple. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to give these away. No, I'm not gonna give these away. Only if I get a good offer for it. Fireball. I love this hair, it's really nice. I love you guys especially. Oh, I'm nearly done, this is the last page. I would think it would be that short. But well short. Last one, it was really long. Oh, I feel so sorry for you, girl. You need gifts like really bad. Oh my god. I'll try help you after when this is done. Rose dancers. I have them already. They're really nice. But they're really big. Okay, thank you so much for all of your gifts, guys. And now I will be going on to the shout out. No, I'll be making this look. I'll be making two looks that I really like. So yeah, give this a like and subscribe. I don't know why I'm saying that, but I'm not done yet. Look, and I really like this look. I don't know why, I just love it. And thank you so much, sister, for getting me this, because like you're just the best sometimes. Sometimes you're money, sometimes you're great, sometimes you. I'm not gonna say, but like yeah. Thank you so much, sister, for that. Next look is this. No one gave me the hair, so I just put my own hair in, and I really like this hair because I got it when I leveled up. So somehow. You get clothes now. I don't know. MSP must have done an update. And I just scratched myself on a pen. And I just like this outfit because it's just amazing, and I love how it's all glittery and gold. Thank you so much for that. I can't remember. Hug me, something like that. By the way, guys, if you want to know what server I'm on the UK server, so don't forget to add me. The number shout out, and she's really nice, and yes, she is my 40th, but I do not care. Oh my god, my mouse just fell to the floor. I do not care. So guys, I really hope you like this video. Give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. This is my first ever video, so yeah, like, subscribe and like. And everyone's just like copying off me for the mail time, but I do not care because you do your thing, and I won't stop you. And guys, if you want a gift, just comment down below. If you want me to add you, just comment down below. And if you want me to make a different server, comment down below. Also, like, subscribe, and comment down when you guys are done to be a Kitty Noah squad. See you later, guys. Bye.